or not creating, actually illustrating a project that I created, which is sort of a database using CSV files and Python. Here I am in Visual Studio Code, which is, put into the internet by CS50 as part of CS50's introduction to programming with Python. And this program actually takes command line arguments via the -m flag. And if I write R, it actually reads from the CSV file with some data that I put in advance, and writes to it, and without any arguments, it would actually write to it by default. So if when I write to it, I can, for example, have Charlie, maybe sexual orientation is gay, and you've got male. You sort of go like 17. It's case insensitive, which means that this capitalized A and M will eventually be turned into lowercase. So age is 17, and I think he's in grade 11 right now, hopefully. So I can do this over and over, but let's just exit the program via the Control D, which raises an end of file error that I'm catching with exceptions in the program. And if I read from that CSV file, actually see Charlie with the sexuality and the gender and the age and the grade, and this is turned to all lowercase by default. So in my program, I'm actually importing a couple of libraries like the sys library, the argparse, the regular expressions, the CSV, and tabulate. This is comma separated values, which is something like that. It's comma separated values, literally. Or you can really separate it with anything you want, but just by convention, it's commas. And I have a main function, a couple of other functions like format, dict, read, write, get student data, stuff like that. So yeah, that's it. So see you guys.